So let's break down the key financial ratios into a pretty simple way to think about it. And the first way that we break down your three statements is profitability. And really, what is the profitability of the company, of the operation itself, so we can start to see if our margins are matching up to what our industry average is and also what our expectations are and what our budgets are. They can help showcase a lot of the behavior that's going on, especially in sales, but also, how profitable are you per employee? And those are important things to measure as you go through those profitability ratios. The second is, how does your company actually manage its debt and the financing of new opportunities or growth? And that's really through your leverage ratios. If you want to break them down, into a simple way to think about is the leverage. How leveraged are you in your financing? And it's important to keep track of that and ensure that you're not over leveraging yourself and maintaining a healthy balance when it comes to those equations. The next is optimizing your operation with your team. Okay, so efficiency ratios really measure how well you're collecting your cash, how you're doing in your inventory management, how quickly you're actually paying out your vendors. And that's really important from a cash flow perspective, but also how are you leveraging your fixed assets that you're investing in and the CapEx that you have. If you're at that level, great, but you need to know how you're making money on those investments. And finally, what's the cash position of the company? So those are your liquidity ratios. Those are really important to understand, measuring your current liabilities versus your current assets, and whether or not you are in a cash position to pay off any type of interest or any type of upcoming payments that you have, especially over the next 12 months. And being able to plan for that is really, really important. So we're going to keep going through and breaking down these equations for you. But from a high level, those are the four things that you want to remember. Okay, profitability, leverage, efficiency, and ultimately liquidity. See you in the next video.